Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chris, aka Chris this Knox. So today we'll be cooking up some South music, Atlanta, Memphis trap music. So yeah, let's lock in. Alright guys, before we get started, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe below. Let's get to it. I think we should go up. Let's find me a clap. Yeah. Let's see. Let's do some kicks. Yeah, it's coming together now. Now it's time for that secret sauce. Booming 808s. Clap. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. We cooking with grease now. Fuego. That's it right there. So let me know what y'all think of the cook up today, man. Leave a comment, leave an emoji below. The motivational thought for today is you'll be successful through innovation and determination. Like the old saying says, hard work beats talent when the talent doesn't work. All right, guys, that's it for today. Continue to create and continue to be great. It's Chris, and I'm out.